Thank you for being here. Let's learn, smile, and grow together at Smile and Learn ABC.
Are you ready to learn a new letter today? This is the letter I. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Say it with me. I.
I for idea. Say it with me. I.
I for island. Say it with me. I.
This is the letter I. I is for iguana. Say it with me. I.
I for igloo. Say it with me. I.
I for iron. Say it with me. I.
This is the letter I. I is for insect. Say it with me.
I for ink. Say it with me. I.